Orere akenya mathiete na mbere na kunyitanira kwamba kiondo gya kuhitana na itoi ikoretwo ikiagagia bururi na njira ya tharikira bata wa gukuruhania na njira nene honge ugitiri cia githirikari mihango-ini ino ni wiyumiritie.
Nitamtumikia rais. Amiri jeshi mkuu na Jamhuri ya Kenya.
Riboti rirekereirio ni ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa tifa yonanitie ati no gicunjĩ kinini kia honge ugitiri cia githirikari kuruhanagio hari bara ya kuhitana na itoi hihi kumana na guoya wa guthukia ritwa na kuingiria hahu honge-ini icio.
The response of the global community has been very focused on the private sector. The UN Security Council resolution that was passed immediately after those attacks, which remains a cornerstone of counterterrorism globally, its central focus was on the financing of terrorism. And the understanding was that terrorists require an infrastructure to plan and launch attacks. And a lot of that infrastructure is done really using the private sector.
Ruhonge rwa gibururi rwa kuhitana na itoi rugite thirikari ni yambikite mitaratara ya kuhitana na aria makoretwo makiruta mbeca kuri itoi ni gutabania thariko rukiuga ni kia kuona amwe mehithanitie guku bururi-ini. Oho nyumba cia mohoro ni ihimbiirio kumana na kuhiuka hari kumenyithia akenya maria marahanika indi ikorio gwithema kunyagia mbica cia itoi muno amu giko giki ni kimekira gihinya na makona ta matoria.
At the same time, I would like to continue urging the media to go further in limiting the ability of terrorists to exploit our attention.
Thariko cia itoi ikoretwo igithararia muthingi wa uthii wa na mbere wa bururi kumana na kuhotoma kwa biacara kura kwa igithia ruhonge rwa ugendi gucoka thi oro hamwe na hathara ingi ihutagia biacara nini bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma guku muci munene wa Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Julius Kareithi wa munene.